Let's go 3. Lesson 29. Last Saturday. Listen and repeat. Last Saturday I went to the park. I played ball. I rode my bike. I flew my kite. I ate a sandwich. I drank some juice. I had a great time.